replacing staples in the Master Mechanic model number M2100 or M2100. We're going to replace the staples in this. On the rear side of the staple gun, you just push down on this tab and it unhooks right there, and you slide that out. You push it down, take it out, pull it out. Now comes your staples. You just load them right back in there, like so. And then you put your guide with the spring in there. Then you just push it right back in. Like so. It's hard to hang on the camera and do this, but it'll go right back in there. And you push it up to lock it in there, and that's all there is to it. Right there is where you do this. Right on the back end right there. Just push